Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad easily. Crafting a delicious and healthy salad doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With just a few smart choices and simple steps, you can create a satisfying meal in minutes. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to quick dressing ideas, ensuring your salads are always vibrant and full of flavor. Get ready to transform your meal prep with these easy tips. Making smart ingredient choices is key to effortless salad creation. Opt for pre-washed greens or take a few extra minutes to wash and dry your own. Having some pre-chopped vegetables in your refrigerator can cut down on prep time by half. Also, consider cooking a batch of protein, like chicken or chickpeas, at the beginning of the week. This foresight makes assembling a nutritious salad incredibly fast. The way you layer your salad can significantly impact its taste and texture. Start with your greens, then add your heartier ingredients like cooked grains or proteins. Next, layer in your vegetables, followed by lighter toppings such as herbs, seeds, or a sprinkle of cheese. Remember, dressing your salad right before you eat it is crucial. This simple technique ensures every bite is fresh and crisp. Crafting your own dressing is surprisingly simple and often healthier. A basic vinaigrette, using 3 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar, plus your favorite seasonings, takes less than 5 minutes. For storage, keep your dressing in a sealed jar for up to 5 days. To keep your salads fresh, store components separately. When ready, combine them or layer them in a jar for a perfect, portable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.